Retired? Start a YouTube channel. Even if no one watches, 10 reasons why. 1. Keeps your mind active. Research shows that staying mentally engaged helps prevent cognitive decline. Learning to edit videos, write scripts, and engage with an audience can keep your brain sharp.
2. A creative outlet. Retirement doesn't mean stopping your passions. Whether it's storytelling, photography, travel, or DIY projects, YouTube allows you to express yourself.
3. Builds a legacy. Share your life experiences, wisdom, or expertise with future generations. A YouTube channel can serve as a digital diary for your family and friends.
4. Connects you with like-minded people. Even if your channel starts small, it will attract viewers who share your interests. You might make friends from all over the world.
5. Earns passive income over time. Monetization may not happen overnight, but over time, YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products can generate income.
6. A new skill set. YouTube involves video editing, SEO, storytelling, and marketing. These new skills can be both fun and valuable.
7. Encourages lifelong learning. Creating content requires research, learning new topics, and adapting to new technology, keeping you engaged and informed.
8. A great way to stay social. Many retirees experience loneliness. YouTube allows you to share your thoughts and interact with a global audience, preventing isolation.
9. You can help others. Whether you're sharing advice, tutorials, or life lessons, your content could inspire or help someone facing challenges. 10. Because you want to. You don't need a massive audience to enjoy making videos. If it brings you joy, that's the only reason you need to start.
Start with the camera on your phone. Introduce yourself and talk about where you live in the world and your skill set. The fact that you made it to retirement age and woke up this morning and still remember your ABCs is a major accomplishment. Sharing is caring.